Well, with all this rain, I'm just going to go check out the pond to see if getting any water, significant water. Sure is growing in and turning into a jungle out here. Always got to keep my eyes out for bears around here. Now, where do I get in at? I should see my black hose. Oh, there it is. There's my hose. Yeah, there's water coming along. As long as I don't sink. There's my bucket with the sand point in it. Sand point check valve. Maybe a little, got to get down a little deeper yet. But another day or so I'll be able to pump some of this stuff. Cool. I'll go around the other path there and check it out. See what I can see. Look at this beautiful little spot. I'm not sure what kind of flowers those are. Well, even if they are flowers, but they sure look like flowers to me. Nice. There's quite a few wild flowers. Person keeps their eyes open. My pants are getting soaked. That's okay. See what these ones are out here. That's clover. I don't know what these white ones are, but let's go back into the bush. I think there's a path here somewhere. Yeah, this is the path. Ah, I see the widowmaker's still there. Oh, there's a little berry. What kind of berry is that? I call this a widowmaker. But I'm not married, so I guess it couldn't make me a widow. Still kill me though. Looky there. I put a variety of flower seeds on top of this old stump, dead tree, about a good month ago. They're starting to come up. Oh yeah, and they're supposed to spread around, so we'll turn this into a flower wonderland someday. Always keep my eye open for chaga on these birch trees. Okay, made her back in one piece. Back to the dream cabin. Hope you enjoyed this little walkabout. Catch you on the next one. Canadian Dreamer out.